Hello, welcome to today's class. I'll be solving this question. My name is Ifedayo. Let's go. Perimeter of a circle 2 pi r, where r is the radius, the radius is 22/7. Find the perimeter of a circle, its diameter is 14 centimeters. Don't forget that perimeter of a circle is the same thing as circumference. Circumference. And when they are asked what is the circumference of a circle, perimeter, perimeter, you use what? 2 pi r or pi d. In the situation whereby you are given diameter. When you are given radius, you use 2 pi r. When you are given diameter, you use pi d. In this situation right now, you are given a diameter. You don't need to stress yourself. So you can do it two ways. If you want to use the radius, you can still use it. That's 2 times 22/7. What is our radius? Our radius is diameter divided by 2. So we have 14 centimeter. You know that it is what? 7 centimeter. So what is it? 7 cancel 7. 2 times 22 will give you 44 centimeter. And if you want to use pi d, you can use it what? 22/7 times what? 44. Am I right? 22/7 pi d. Yeah, 22/7 divided by what? This 14. Sorry. 14. 14 centimeters. So 7 in here, what? 2. 22 times 2. That will be 44 centimeters. You can see that it's the same thing. Just know the formula of circumference or perimeter of a circle, which is pi d or 2 pi r. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.